Hello there, this is your boy, and welcome back to a part 2 video where this time I'll be demonstrating you on how to use animations but with colors. So let's get it. Enough talk. I'll be closing on CSS and we'll be moving on to JavaScript. So hit a like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video with me uploading JavaScript. Okay, so let's look more effects on the keyframes. So let's do keyframes. Let's try fade out. Then let's do 100. Okay, so let's do 0% and opacity in the parenthesis is 1, and I display 100 to put display at 100% to 0. So I think this one displays that automatically when I click tab. That's why I use TabTime Basic. It's a very good app to use. So link in bio. Anyways, once I've specified the keyframes, then I'm gonna copy the variable and add that to my animation. Let's put 6 seconds. Then if I refresh, it fades. Look, as you can see here, it fades out. So if I put, let's say 1 second, fades out quicker. Let's do keyframe. Let's do fade in and out. Actually, you know what? Fade in and out. Cool. Let's do fade in and out, and this bit here will be 0%, and opacity is 1, and 50% is 0.5. 100% give it 1. So this is by second bit of the keyframe. So if I click copy the variable and paste here, and then if I refresh, it just fades in and out. Well, both at the same time. Let's do 5 seconds. Fades in and out. Yeah, and that's pretty cool, right? Then finally, let's change the color. So let's do keyframes and then color. And then let's set to 0%, and then we'll give the color, background color, to let's say red, and 20%, say background color to blue. Actually, you know what? Let's do orange. So red, orange, and then 40% background color, orange, yellow, and then 60% will be green. Then 80% will be blue, and 100% will be, final bit is indigo. There we go. So here's the keyframes of the color. To put color demo, and yes, you add that to my animation. Show a different color. Look, it changes different color every time. Which is pretty cool, right? So if I put, let's say 8 seconds, I think it will go slowly every time. Let's do milliseconds. So 5 milliseconds. Yeah, and it just goes pretty rapidly. It goes pretty quick. Actually, let's stop. Okay, let's put 1 second to calm things down. So let's put it normal. Let's put to 5. Yeah, there we go. And here is the final keyframe bit. And yeah, this is how you do the animations and specifying the keyframes on the rotate, demo, slide down, fade out, fade in, and color. Let me know down in the comments if there's more keyframes demonstration. I'm going to end off this video here. In my next video, I will introduce to you to JavaScript. So make sure to hit a like, subscribe, so you won't miss out any tutorial videos like this. This is your boy. I'm out. Peace.